Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not showing up. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not showing up, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to this window of Snapchat. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click force stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.